Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about Basecamp role claiming. So this is from the Base team directly. They have announced some developer roles in their guild which you can claim after doing some contract deployment. So this is specifically for the developers, but in today's video I'll show you simple copy paste things, how you can complete all these contracts and how you can claim all these 5 guild roles of the developers. But why is this important? So if you see the recent airdrop announcements, most of the projects are giving rewards to the big rewards to the developers. So if you see Starknet, they have given decent amount of rewards to developers. Then Avail also has given decent amount of airdrop to developers, and coming projects also might give decent airdrop to developers. So that's why this developer roles claiming is very important, and this is totally on testnet, so it is going to be 100% free of cost, but it will take your 20 to 30 minutes of your time. But if you see the number of participants, it's hardly 7,500 users have participated in these roles, so it is a very huge opportunity. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till end. Before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like that is 500 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So guys, first thing, before claiming this Basecamp developer roles, if you followed my channel last year, I posted one build on base developer NFT which is minted on testnet. Now we can mint those NFT on mainnet. Project has recently announced that. I'll show you how you can mint that. Very simple. All you need to do is you need to just open this base page. This link will be in the description below, so just head out to this place, connect your wallet. If you are eligible, you will get a mint option, so just click on mint and mint this NFT. If you followed my last year video and deployed and claimed the build on base NFT on testnet, you will be eligible for this mainnet NFT. So if it is not eligible, then you can continue the next steps of the video. So now we have completed the old one. Now let's talk about how to complete this Basecamp. So there are few things you should keep in mind. So first thing, you need to open 2 tabs, 3 important tabs in your browser. First one is this base developer portal dashboard, where you need to connect your wallet and verify all your contracts which you deploy. Then second one is my GitHub page, in which I uploaded all the contract codes. You can access one by one and you can do it copy paste. And finally another one is a remix page, so in which you will be using it for the deployment. So once you keep these things ready, let's start. So let's go. You can see I don't have any roles right now in this particular Basecamp. So first we'll go to this developer page, connect the wallet, and now it will ask you to add base testnet to your MetaMask. So just approve it and switch network. So once you switch to base testnet, now you can see copy your address, go to testnet faucet page, paste it here, click on send Ethereum. So within few minutes you will get testnet Ethereum onto your base testnet. Now go back to base developer page. On the left side you will get options for development. Under that you have to select developing to testnet, deploying to testnet. In that you select the deployment exercise. So each module will have an exercise and we need to deploy a contract and paste that contract to verify. So now you can see we have to deploy basic math contract. So now for deploying we are using this remix portal. Here we will be able to deploy all our contracts. So very simple. So first thing, on the workspace, just select this drop down, create new workspace, give a name to it. Maybe you can give your name and click on OK. Then click on create new folder and it will automatically drop you all the basic folders. Here you can see owner.sol under contracts. Just select that. On the left side you will go to the third icon, which is a compiler. So just click on compile. It will check whether code is correct or any errors. Now if you get a green tick mark, go to the next icon, which is a deploy icon. So here you have to select in the drop down injected provider MetaMask. Now it will give a pop-up to MetaMask, connect your MetaMask wallet and then click on deploy. It will show a MetaMask pop-up, complete that, and within few seconds your contract will be deployed. This is our first contract of the owner. So now let's start with the task one by one. So first thing, you have to come to my GitHub repository. Here you can see all the contracts. Here first task, you need to select basic math contract. So just click on basic math. You just copy the name here, basic math on the top. Go to remix. Under the contract right side you will see one create new file icon. So just click on that. It will ask you to enter the name. Just paste the name what you copied, basic math, and enter. Click enter in your keyboard. Then now we are in the basic math page. Now we have to copy the contract. So for that you can come to my GitHub, use the copy icon here, paste it in remix, click on allow, click on OK, and now we have pasted it. Now left side you go to the compile icon again, click on compile, go to deploy icon and click on deploy. So now we have successfully deployed our contract. On the left side you can, if you scroll down, you can see your basic math contract. Just use this copy icon to copy the contract address, go back to the base developer page, paste it here, click on submit. Again you have to do a transaction on testnet. These are all testnet transactions, guys. You don't need any real money. So now you can do transaction is successful and we have minted the NFT. Now this is how we deploy the contract. So we will be doing 13 other deployments like this. So I will be little fast from now, so you can follow the same steps. Now let's go on. Second one, control structures. Select the control structure exercise, go to my GitHub, select control structures in the left side tab, copy the name control structures, go to remix, go to contracts tab. Under the contracts, click on create new file, paste the name, click on enter, copy the code, paste it, and then left side click to compile, then go to deploy and deploy the contract. So now we have completed the second deployment. Come to left side of the screen, scroll down, copy the contract address, go to the base page, paste it and submit. So now we have successfully submitted and verified 2 NFTs. Now moving on, next one, storage. Storage exercise, go back to my GitHub page, select storage, copy the name, go to remix, create new contract, paste the name, enter, copy the code, paste it here, then go to compile tab, click on compile, go to deploy tab. Here now you don't have the deploy button. So for this you need to enter some inputs. You can expand this drop down here. You need to enter these 4 fields. You will find these 4 fields in the documentation page of base developer page. You can scroll up. Here you can see shares 1000, copy it, paste it here. Then name you have to copy Pat, paste it here. Then salary you have to copy 50,000, paste it here. Then ID number, copy, paste it, and now you have to hit this orange button which is transact. Now complete the MetaMask transaction and our contract will be deployed. So now left side, copy the contract, go to the base page, paste it, submit and verify. That's all. We have completed the third contract. So let's move on to the arrays. Left side, select arrays, array exercise, scroll down, go to the GitHub, select arrays, copy the arrays, go to remix, create new file with arrays name, copy the code from my GitHub, paste it here, compile the code, then go and deploy it, and that's all. Now transaction is successful. Now copy the contract, go back to this page, paste it and submit. That's all. Now we have successfully completed the arrays on Solidity. Now moving on to the mapping types. So just select the mapping types, go to this page, copy the name of mapping types, go to contract, new contract, paste the mapping, copy the code from my GitHub, paste it here. Now go to compile, compile it, go to deploy, click on deploy and complete the deployment. Now copy the contract address, go back to page, paste it and submit. That's all. Now next task is advanced functions. There is no exercise under that. Let's move on. Next one will be structures. Under structures we have exercise. Come to this particular GitHub page, go to structures, then copy the name structures, go to contract, new file, paste it, name, enter, copy the code, go back to remix, paste it, enter, then left side compile, go to deploy, deploy the contract, and now you got the contract address, copy it, go back to base page, paste it and submit the transaction. Now next one is inheritance. So inheritance exercise is little complex, so watch it carefully. Copy the inheritance name, go to remix, create new file with the inheritance name, copy the code, paste it here. Now left side compile. Now under the deployment you have to do couple of changes, and if you directly click on deploy you will get an alert. Now what you have to do is under contract you have a drop down, just select that. Here you have to select salesperson, last option, and we need to enter some details here. These details will be available in base page. Just scroll up a bit, you will see this salesperson details. First will be the ID number, copy 55555, paste it. Manager ID, copy 12345, paste it. Then you have hours, $20 per hour, so just paste 20, click on transact, complete the transaction. So now salesperson we have submitted. Again you have to select the drop down. Here you have to select the second option which is engineering manager. Again go back to the page, copy the manager terms, ID number, copy it, then copy the manager ID, paste it. We have copied the manager ID also, paste it. Now we have to annual salary which is 200,000, click on transact and complete the transaction. Now finally select the drop down and select the inheritance submission. Now you need to enter this salesperson contract which you are developed deployed. So this last but one, copy it, paste it here. Now for the engineer, just copy the recent contract, paste it and click on transfer, complete the MetaMask transaction, and that's all. Now copy the inheritance contract, paste it here and submit. Transaction is successful. So now moving on to the imports. Just go to imports file on my GitHub. Copy the before that you need to copy another one which is a silly string utils. Copy this name silly string utils from my GitHub. Copy the code, paste it here. Then now before running this contract, again you have to create one more file with the name of imports. Select the imports contract, copy the name, go back to here, create new file with the imports, copy this code also, paste it. Now we have copied and pasted two codes. One is a silly string utils, then second is the imports. Now keeping this import selected, click on compile tab and compile it, go to deploy tab and deploy it. So now we have successfully deployed imports. Copy the recent contract, go to the page, paste it, submit. That's all. Now we have the errors exercise. Go to GitHub, select errors, copy the name, create new contract with the name errors, enter, copy the code, paste it here, compile and then deploy, and that's all. Copy the errors code, complete it, verify. Now next one is a new keyword. So new keywords, you have to go to my page here. This is about address book contract. So just copy the address book contract, create the name, copy the address book code also, paste it, and then you can come back to this page. Here we have to create another contract which is other contracts. Just select that, copy the name other contracts and enter, copy this code, enter, paste it. Now go to compile and compile. So if you compile this, in case if you are getting error, you are running on a old compiler. For fixing this error, on the top you can see a drop down. Just select this. Under this you have to select 0.8.20 plus comment. Then click on compile, it will work. Then go to deploy and deploy it. That's all. This is also successful. Copy the code, paste it and verify. And now we have completed all the basic tasks. Now we have to do 3 more contracts under token deployment development. Select minimal token task, come down, go to minimal token, copy the name, go to new contract, paste it here, enter, copy the code, paste it. Now go to under the value, you have to rename the value to 1 2 3 4 5 6, then go to compile it and deploy it. That's all. Now copy the code, come back to this page, paste and transfer. That is successful. So now we have to deploy ERC20 token. Further go to ERC20 token, copy the name, create the file, copy the code, paste it here. Now scroll up, under the string value you have to modify it to CTHE, or you can give any 4 characters of your name. CTHE, compile it, go to deploy, expand this. Here also you have to give CTHE name and symbol also CTHE, click on transfer and submit. Now scroll down and copy the contract, paste it here, click on submit, and that's all. The transaction is successful. Now select the ERC721, copy the contract name, paste it. This is the last contract, guys. We are almost done. So paste it, paste the name, copy the code, paste it here, and now compile and deploy, complete the transaction. Now copy the contract, go it, paste it and submit. That's all, guys. We have successfully deployed all the contracts required to achieve all the badges. Now you can go back to the Basecamp guild page and click on this refresh tab, and you can claim all your guild roles. So you can see I have successfully claimed all my guild roles by deploying all these contracts one by one. So now you can see we got all the 5 roles. To validate, you can go to the discard, just post GM, select your details. You can see Basecamp, all developer roles are added to it, and our wallet is also having all those NFTs minted on testnet. So now that's all, guys. That's about today's video. I think this video, if it is helpful, do subscribe to this channel, like the video and leave your feedback in the comment section below. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.